Welcome to eDomains. On this tutorial, we will see how to transfer a domain name to another eDomains account. In order to transfer a domain name to another eDomains account, we will need to log into the origin domain name account and provide the email address of the destination eDomains account. If the destination account doesn't exist yet, you will need to create it first by going to the Register Account option. Let's see how to transfer the domain name. First, we log into the Origin eDomains account, in this example, origin@edomains.com. We click on Domains. Then we click on the three dots at the right of the domain name that we want to transfer. And select Manage Domain. At the left column, we click Ownership Transfer and enter the email address of the destination eDomains account. In this example, we use destination@edomains.com. Accept the terms and click Transfer Ownership. The internal transfer system will send an email to the destination account to approve the transfer. Now, we need to log into the destination eDomains account. Let's log into the destination account. We can also view the approved message by clicking on the profile and then email history. Just open the message and approve the transfer. Now the domain has been transferred to the new account.